Good day, my people. Welcome back to my channel. This is your guy Crypto Ambassador. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to receive notification once I upload a video like this. All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your NFT to X token. All right, for those of you who minted NFT during the mining stage of X-Empire. So if you are among those who minted NFT, this is how you are going to convert it back to X token. All right. So now let me walk you through on how to do that. As you can see right here, you have to click on where you see convert NFT, convert NFT to X. All right. So once I click on it, I will be giving instruction and the address where I will be sending the NFT to for the conversion. All right. So as you can see, they are asking me to send the NFT voucher to this following address. So what I will do next is to copy the address, then head over to the wallet I used for the minting. All right. So I use my Ton wallet, which is this one. Then click on NFT. Then this is the two NFTs I minted for X-Empire. So I'll be sending the first one. Click on send. All right. So paste the recipient address. All right. That is it. Then click on send NFT. The fee is 0.1 ton. All right. So I'll be continuing. Okay. As you can see, I've been able to send the NFT to the address they provided. All right. So the next instruction, you will see X on your balance within 24 hours after sending the voucher if the wallet from which you sent the NFT is connected to the on-chain claim. All right. So let me confirm if I have connected my wallet. Okay, let me connect. Sorry, I should have done this before now. All right. Okay, you can see right now I've connected the wallet to my X-Empire bot. All right, so let's get on to the next. Okay, the instruction is that I'm going to be able to draw this X token from NFT only on chain after 24th of this month. All right, so the next thing I will be doing is to send the remaining one. Let's read the important information here. You must connect on-chain the same wallet which you use to transfer NFT. Otherwise, you will not see the tokens on your balance. So once you transfer, make sure you connect the same wallet to this very bot. All right. So if you want to withdraw part of on-chain and part off-chain and part on-chain, first enter the information for the off-chain withdrawal, and after 23rd 9, you'll be able to select a wallet for the on-chain withdrawal. All right, so that is it. Pass like this. This is the only way you can convert your NFT back to your X token. All right, for the trading, all right. So I'll be doing the second conversion because I have two NFT. I'll be doing that when I fund my wallet, because the wallet I have, the ton I have won't be enough to send the remaining one. All right, so that is how you are going to go about yours. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.